Hello guys, it's Karemi again. I'm reshooting this video because the last one I did, I was not very happy, I was not lively, so I've decided to do a second one. And as you can tell from the title of the video, I'll start by saying that I got a lot of, not a lot, quite a number of people reached out, and some are wondering if they have depression. They told me they were not feeling well, they were not themselves. So I've decided to do this video to advise someone what you can do when you're depressed. And I'll start by saying you need to educate yourself. You need to learn about the triggers, the symptoms, the signs for depression and anxiety, so that you can know when to take action, when to seek medical advice, when to find a therapist, a psychologist, a counselor. So educate yourself, know the signs, know yourself. Then from there you'll be able to take care of yourself, take matters into your own hands, and find help. So today I'm giving advice on self-care, things that you can do at a personal level to make sure that you're better, you're fighting depression, and you're lifting your mood. So the first one, do something that you love, or something that you used to love. It can be cooking, it can be makeup, it can be reading, it can be watching, it can be some exercise. So do something that you love doing, that you used to love doing, a hobby, to make sure that you boost your mood. Number 2, watch something funny, something that will make you smile, something that will make you laugh. Even once in a day, or just even 2 episodes in a day can make a difference. Number 3, oh my god, I've forgotten. So the third one is find a routine. You find that in most cases with depression, you don't want to do anything at all. You don't want to do any household chores, you don't want to make your bed, you don't want to go outside, do laundry. So I'd advise to do a routine. You can even write it down. By writing the routine down, you'll be able to know in advance the things that you'll be doing, for example, the following day or that day in the afternoon. So find a routine and try to stick to it. Number 4, go out with friends. For example, plan a meetup with a friend, with a family member, with a loved one, someone you know they have the best interests at heart for you, someone you know they'll make you feel good, you will laugh. That way it will make sure you get out of the house. If you're in the house or if you're at work all the time, you will take care of yourself, take a shower, make yourself look good. Then you meet a friend, you'll kill some hours, which is very nice. You'll not be very sad and alone in the house probably, or in your mind. You'll be occupied and you will enjoy planning to meet, planning what to wear, where to meet, what to order, what to eat, when to come home. So do not be alone when you're depressed. Try to engage with people, try to get out of yourself, to be in crowds. That way you'll be interacting and talking. Something else, you can try and exercise, you can try and eat healthy foods, cook for yourself or have someone help you cook. What else? Another thing, you can seek professional help. There are groups here in Kenya that have dedicated themselves. Their mission is to give counseling, educate people on mental health. You can reach out to people in such organizations. You can also get counseling in church. Pastors are trained on counseling. They know about mental health, so you can try and reach out to someone who will be of help. And therapists, you can try Mathari Hospital. The charges for Mathari are very cheap, what I've read online, so you can reach out to them. You can visit, inquire, and book an appointment. Something else is you can get a therapist to prescribe antidepressants. Antidepressants are supposed to help boost your mood, so if you can get them, they are very, very helpful for people I've had who are using them. Another thing, on the antidepressants, once you get them, make sure you finish the dose. Do not stop taking them once you feel better, once your moods are up, once the sadness has reduced. You're supposed to continue taking them as you had been advised. This is it. This is the end. I didn't want something very long. I'll try and get back with another video, or maybe the symptoms you should look out for. But on self-care, you need to know yourself. There are little things that you can do to help boost your moods, get you out of the sadness and depression, and elevate the moods, make you smile, make you happy for some time. And I know it might seem like it's very simple, but it's not. When you're depressed, the simplest of things seem to be very hard. So you can try. The best thing you can do is try one day at a time, one moment at a time, and you'll get there. So thank you so much, and I hope you're feeling better. I hope you will be better. Bye.